What you see here are the GB-6 and the GB-8 Professional from Bosch, the robust and powerful double-wheel bench grinders for trade and industry. The GB-6 is a space-saving and powerful workshop machine. The GB-8 is especially robust and powerful. It ensures fast work progress. The low-noise, low-vibration induction motor and the enclosed ball bearings ensure a long lifetime on both double-wheel bench grinders. Readjustment is made easier by the tool-free adjustable workpiece rest. The large spark guards provide optimum protection for your eyes during work. Experience for yourself the GB-6 and the GB-8 Professional from Bosch, the robust and powerful double-wheel bench grinders for trade and industry.